She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And I wanna build my whole world with you and my never. And our love will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, 'cause I'm one better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't love and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't love and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
A shame to see that car brake, that was absolutely rapid. Come on AirTech. They massively helped me out with my intercooler and these guys are just great to deal with. now wetting the track for the drifters. Right, up here now the chap called Martyn, who's got this epic D16 Mini, full flip front on it. It looks absolutely awesome. Carbon mirrors. So do you mind talking me around under the bonnet?
Yeah, of course you can, yeah.
Look how tight that is on the front, it's crazy.
So basically it's just a standard D16, it's about 125 brake, got an all-speed subframe, so we've made all the mounts up, everything's basically running standard apart from the exhaust manifold and the exhaust system, air filter obviously, uprated pedal box, Metro turbo brakes, Metro turbo hubs, coilovers, classic mini rad which has been modified.
Just to get it behind.
Yeah.
I mean, we are talking about a Rizzler pack between the manifold and the front when it's flipped down,
Yeah,
it's so tight.
Yeah. Basically it's been modernised from a classic car.
Yeah, in every single way possible, yeah. Mate, it's an awesome build, I love it.
No, right.
That's really cool.
From Trucksport Performance, we're a Toyota specialist in Chatteris in Cambridgeshire. The car got imported about 4 years ago from Japan. It was naturally aspirated 1.6 when it came over here, and then we've done a turbo conversion and it's running about 285 horsepower at the moment.
It looks so clean as well.
It is fairly clean, yeah. It used to be a daily for a little while when I first got it, but I spend so much time and money on it now. It's just a show car now, so it just goes to shows and backs, and that's about it.
Too much to risk now.
Too much to risk, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but some people really pushing it out on track and stuff just breaks, doesn't it?
That's it, yeah. I've been there, done that, so it's just a show car now.
Mate, it's super clean, so nice one, well done.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers, mate, thank you.
So I'm here with Rob Birley from Birley Engineering.
Right, well, we've got a YB turbo engine with an alley block that was made by Quaif Engineering. The iron blocks are getting harder and harder to get hold of. The engine's all tuned and put together by Joe Stevens at Heart Power. Yeah, Joe's here today. We're looking after the engine for me. He's done a good job.
There's a lot of custom work on this, isn't there? I've just noticed you've got a slot-fed billet in that manifold.
Yeah, everything Joe's done on it has been a lot of love, care and attention and a lot of nice engineering. I do, because my company is an engineering suppliers, I do like nice quality engineering.
Yeah.
And like you say, the inlet plenum there is all made out of a solid billet. Takes a long time to make it. It's a bit of art.
Yeah, it is.
Yes,
it is.
Mechanical art.
Yeah.
We're running with a restrictor in the turbo, which is 50mm, similar to what they run with Rallycross. Still produces over 500 horsepower. It's a Borg-Warner twin scroll, so it spools up really quickly. You're not going to get high revs out of it because of the airflow is going to be quite restricted, but we still get just over 500 horsepower.
That's really good, yeah.
And it's got about 550 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
So
such a shame to have a massive air filter with a 4-inch feed and then have to go down to 50mm for the turbo.
Well, if we ran unrestricted, we'd probably have 650 horsepower, but it also restricts the life of the engine because with that sort of power, everything's taking a huge strain. You know, we've got a 6-speed sequential gearbox built by Quaife Engineering. It was a design they originally did for the Dodge Viper.
Oh right, okay.
In a 2-wheel drive
So it
format.
can handle the power then?
Oh yeah, it can take 800 newton meters of torque, so what we're putting through is quite easy for it. Just going back to the turbo, we've got a remote wastegate there, the blue bit on the top there, which gives a nice whistle and a chirping noise as we're going around the circuit, which people tend to like. We've had a new dashboard this year, which has simplified, you know, some of the stuff that we've had there in the past, but gives me a clear indication what gear it's in, what revs we're pulling.
Good luck for later on, and look forward to watching. I'm here with Sam from Trucksport.
So we'll just start off with our engine in the middle. This is out of an MAN D28 engine. This provides over 1,000 brake horsepower to our race truck. All these parts are standard out of a genuine road truck, and we just adapt the fuel intake and the air intake and just a larger turbo to get our larger power output. So the engine does sit further back than it would do on a normal road truck. It's just for better weight distribution, and the gearbox will then sit under our large new bespoke fuel tank as well. So the inside we have a full safety roll cage from top to bottom. This is Simon's direct view from the racetrack. So that is our new AIM bespoke dash system. So that will show all engine temperatures, boost pressures, and bits and pieces, as well as our other analogue dash system.
I'm here with Steve with his Metro K20 Turbo. It's home built. It's absolutely bonkers.
Started with just our standard City L Metro a long time ago and cut the back out. I sent it to a friend of mine in Shropshire called Dave Higgs at Roding Garage, and he made all the cage and the rear arms and done all the paint and bodywork for me. I put the Honda K in the back, obviously as you can see, turbocharged.
Yep, sidewinder on there as well.
Yeah,
So what turbo are you running?
A Garrett GTX 3076 sequential box, cracked diff.
And that sounds amazing on track.
Is
Got
it?
some really good shots of it going by.
Yeah, so that was it. I've only had it on the road for like 8-9 weeks now, so first bit of fun really. Had lots of trouble, and now we're trying to iron that out.
What trouble have you had so far?
Still got gearbox trouble.
Yep.
When it gets really hot, it won't allow me to select gear properly.
Have you got another pump on it?
I've got one, but I haven't had time to fit it yet.
Okay.
For today.
I'm looking at a Mocal one myself, like one of the
Yeah,
vape pumps.
I've got a Mocal pump. That turned up last week.
Oh, cool.
So I've got that. I've got a filter, inline filter, and all that type of thing for it. So I've just, when I take it home from here, I'll start doing that, getting it ready. Adrian from Mayson Sports Cars, he done loads of cooler stuff and set brakes up for me, like loads of different bits and bobs really. And yeah, got it mapped. HT Racing.
What power is it making at the moment?
505.
505. That's good power, isn't it?
But we got a slight issue with overboost at the minute. I'm using capsule pressure at the minute, so I think we're still at about 420, 430.
And the flames coming out when you're going down the straight, yeah.
Can't
Really
see
good.
that inside there.
Yeah. What page people can follow you on?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram at Dennis Stephen.
I'll put a link here for you guys in the description or on screen.
Really, that's about it. So like, it's just like I say, long time and a lot of money.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me about it. That's why mine's not here because I haven't finished yet.
No, but my friend Simon stopped me from selling it. I was going to sell it at one point.
Oh no, don't do that.
And
awesome, well mate, thanks a lot for showing me around.
No
Cheers,
worries.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
There you go then guys, that's the end of Bhp Performance Show. What an awesome day, really enjoyed that. So yeah, thanks for watching.